see in the video, it's a really simple install. What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, we just got finished installing this BMR K member on a customer's car, and we are getting ready to go to the dealership to align it right now. But real quick, I'll throw the footage up from us installing the K member. As you can see in the video, it's a really simple install. Basically, you just got the two nuts right here, the two bolts back here, and then you got, of course, you got the motor mount nut, and then you've got the ball joint nut, tie rod end nut, and then it drops straight down. Then you take the steering gear off, swap everything over, swap the A-arms over, and just, like I said, a really simple install. Take you approximately 3 to 4 hours depending. But like I said, a really simple install. So guys, this car also has long tube headers, Boss 302 intake manifold, and he wanted to lighten the car up a little bit. So the first thing he wanted to do was put the BMR K member in, so we installed it for him. But right now we're fixing to go get the alignment done, so we will see you there. All right, guys, we got the vehicle line ready for the customer to pick up tomorrow. You know, I let these two knuckleheads drive my car. So what do you think?
I like it. I like it a lot.
10 already life.
Yeah, I told you.
We thought he was just messing with us, y'all. But
I
now
told him.
he's not missing.
I told him E85 Tune. It's a stout car, and they thought I was pulling their leg. They've been in it, but I let them drive it, and they got to toy around with it a little bit and have some fun.
I can drive back. It's fun.
I don't know about that.
It's fun. I want a 10R80 in mine.
There you go. All right, really quick, I had an ending for this video, and somehow the video got corrupt. It is what it is. It happens from time to time, but it gives me a chance to talk to you guys about a couple things. One thing, I want to say thank you to the subscriber that brought me the car to work on. He drove over 2 hours one way to bring me the car, drop it off, go back home, then come back and then go back. So over 8 hours of driving in one weekend for me to install that BMRK member. So thank you very much. I do appreciate the work. And as you guys know, I am doing side work. I'm trying to build up and see how it's gonna go and see if I can eventually have my own performance shop. The turbo kit has been shipped. Hellhorse contacted me Friday evening and to let me know that the rest of the turbo kit has shipped. So that should be here this week, and then we will be starting on the installation this coming up weekend. That being said, it's going to be a few weeks before I have this car back at the drag strip. We've got to do the install. That might take a couple weekends. I'm going to do a very detailed install with the turbo kit for you guys, so that between filming and actually doing the work on the car with the oil pump gears, the turbo kit and all that, it might take a little bit to get it done. I'm figuring maybe a couple weekends. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna be able to work on it during the week after work with everything that I've got going on. However, I'll get it done as quick as I can, guys, and then we'll have to get it to the dyno to get the tune dialed in, and then from there we will be going to the drag strip. However, I am gonna throw some video in this video of last week's trip out to Jake's, some footage I was not able to put in that video because that video started getting a little too long, so I held back some of that content because I figured I would throw it in here and there for you guys, you know, to kind of keep you guys fed, because I know you guys enjoy the drag strip content. And let me know if you're interested. I might kick out there on Friday nights and take the wife's car out there while I've got this car down installing the turbo kit and getting it ready. So we could take the wife's car out there and see what it will do. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna get out of here. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we will see you next time. right, guys, we got the.
Hey, y'all, I'm back.